Last class we have learned few concepts. We can revise that quickly one by one. First thing we have learned, what are expressions? So expressions are combination of variable and constant. Like if I write 3y plus 8. So variable and constant together make expression. Then we have learned number line. If I want 2x plus 3 means on number line, if this distance represent x, double of that means till here. Let me change the color to make it differentiate. So this is x, this is another x. And also I have to do plus 3 means this distance and then 3 unit, whatever it is. So here it is 2x plus 3. Next we have learned terms, factors and coefficient. The terms we used in algebraic expression. So term is a single part of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression can be long. Out of that, only one part which is separated by plus or minus is known as terms. Factors means a term which is made up of by multiplying the number and variable we give you terms is known as factors. Like if I take minus 7xy, so the factor is minus 7x and y, or even you can write minus 1, 7x and y. These are the factors. What is coefficient? When we say coefficient, so literally it means the numerical factors. Means in front of the variable whatever the number is written is your coefficient. Like in this term the coefficient is 5 and in the second term coefficient is 7. Then we have learnt what is monomial, binomial or polynomial. Monomial, algebraic expression which has only one terms. There is no plus minus in between the terms. Like in the front minus can be there, but between two terms there is no two terms at all. Binomial means when two terms are in addition or subtraction. So 1 and 2. This is two terms, so it is binomial. Polynomials, poly means literally many, but in algebraic expression even one or more terms is also known as polynomial. Next, like terms are those terms whose coefficient can be different, but the variable part along with their powers are same to same. If I say 9a square b and 7a square b, can you see a square b, a square b? The variables are same, a and b, and their respective power 2 and 1 is also same. So variable and their power is same. The numerical coefficient can be different. Unlike terms means the variable can be different, their power can be different. Somehow the variable part is not same to same is known as unlike term. Next is addition and subtraction. So what we do, suppose I have 3a square, then 7b square is first term, and then I have 5a square minus 2b square, and I have to add that. Add means put plus ka sign and separate like term. So there is a 3a square, 5a square. These are like terms. Then 7b square minus 2b square. Adding that 8a square, 7 minus 2 that is 5b square. So this is my answer. Same way subtraction we have learnt in the class, previous part of this video. Now coming to the main sub part here, let's practice few questions from the exercise. It says identify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following. It is a simple question. How many terms are there? We have learnt if the expression are separated by plus and minus. So from here to here, then there is a minus sign, and then here to here. Means this has number of terms 2. And then it says coefficient. So first term is 5xyz square. So coefficient is how much? It is 5. Second term is minus 3xy. So the coefficient is minus 3. The number written in front of the variable is known as coefficient. Coefficient also known as numerical factor, numerical value. Here it's a simple, we can find out how many terms. It is 3. So first term, 3 terms are there, and then when I say terms and their coefficient. Term is 1, coefficient is nothing but 1. Second term is x. When nothing is written in front, so it is 1 only. It is x square, nothing in the front again, it is 1. Here also I have 3 terms because it's separated by plus minus. For first term the coefficient is 4. For the second term we need to coefficient minus 4. Because while taking plus minus, minus is also considered. Plus we need not to write. Here the coefficient nothing means 1. When nothing is in front, it is 1. Here same to same you can do. How many terms? 4 terms. And coefficient for this term is 3. For this one minus 1. Plus 1. Plus we need not to write and then minus 1. Here again I have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Coefficient is 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 and minus 1. Here it's a minus. I forgot to put space. The coefficient is 0.3 minus 0.6, 0.5. What we have learnt is the coefficient can be anything. Fraction, negative, decimal, anything. So that's about the first question. Let's practice few more. Question 2 says, classify the following polynomial as monomial, binomial, trinomial. Mono means 1, bi means 2 terms, tri means 3 terms. And which polynomial do not fit in any of these categories. Like here, it has only 2 terms. Correct? So it is binomial. I'll just write B. Next one, can you see from here to here, 1000, only 1 term is there. So I will say it is monomial, M. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms mean definitely it is not mono, bi or tri. So it says which do not fit. So you can say these terms which has 4 terms. So polynomial we can say as a common. Here it is 3 terms. So yes, trinomial. And so on you can practice. Here from here to here 2 terms, bi. Again this is tri. This is again tri. And as there is a 4 terms, it does not belong to any of the category. So that was simple. These questions I am leaving for you to practice. Coming to the next one. Question 3 says add the following. So let's do it patiently so that you can understand. I'll teach you both the method. The row method means horizontal method and column method both. So what we do, the first term we copy as it is while adding. So AB minus BC. Second term is BC minus CA. So align the like terms one below the other. This is column or vertical method. Okay, vertical method. So here I'll write BC and then CA no like term, so I'll write at the end. Then there is a CA and AB for the third term. So CA I have here, then minus AB I can put here, AB. And there is nothing in between, means plus. Plus AB minus AB cancel, minus BC plus BC cancel, same way cancel. So 0 plus 0 plus everything is 0. This is the addition. While doing horizontal method, what we do? AB minus BC. And when there is a different expression, put plus sign. As it is plus, no need to put bracket, or if you want to separate it, you can, but does not make any difference. But if it is subtraction, after putting minus sign, bracket is mandatory. So here BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. What next? Separate the terms. So here AB, this is AB, another one is here minus AB. This is BC, another one is just next to it. Then minus CA plus CA. This will give you 0, minus B plus B 0, 0, 0. Everything is 0. So this is my horizontal method. Same way, this one you can separate the term. I'll do all of them by horizontal method. In case you want column method, comment me. So A minus B plus AB, then there is a comma and they are asking to add, so plus sign, B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. So A, do I have another A? Yes, here it is. Then I have minus B, search for another B, yes it is here. Then I have AB, search for another AB if I have no. This is done, this is done. Then I have minus C, search for another C, yes I have. Then I have BC, all the term is written, then I have AC. Plus A minus A cancel, minus B plus B, minus C plus C. What is answer? AB plus BC and then plus AC. Correct? So this is quite simple. We can do few more for practice. Like here, the question is P2 means P square. It is something 2P square Q square minus 3PQ plus 4. Then comma means it's an addition question. So 5 plus 7PQ minus 3P square Q square. As it is addition, separate the like term. So this and this one. Then next term 3PQ. What is like term to 3PQ? This one 7PQ. Then plus 4 and 5. As they are like terms, different sign, subtraction. 2 minus 3 is 1 and sign of the bigger number. So 1 P square Q square, this one. Then same way here 4PQ and then 9. For minus 1 we need not to write, 1 is not written, so just keep the sign, that's all. 4PQ plus 9. Let's do the next one here. So it is L square, I'll just put a line over here, plus M square, N square, from here to here one term, then it is from here to here M square plus N square, then this N square plus L square, then this 2LM, 2MN, then 2NL. What next? L square and L square, write it separately. Then M square and M square here. Then almost all the terms are already separated in terms of like term. And then L square will give me 2L square because it is addition, nothing in front means 1. So 1L square and 1L square, 2L square. Similarly 2M square, 2N square, 2LM, MN and then 2NL. This is the answer. Correct? So addition and subtraction is quite easy, not that much difficult. If you will practice, definitely it will make you perfect. Now coming to the subtraction question. It says part A, subtract this from this. As I said even in the first part, when it says subtract this from this, so from wala term comes first. It says subtract this from this means I'll need to write 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3 first. As it is subtraction, put minus sign. And I need to subtract these terms. So write that in bracket. 4A minus 7AB plus 3B plus 12. why did I write in bracket? This minus sign is going to change all the sign inside the bracket. So the next step is 12a minus 9ab 5b minus 3. As there is a minus sign, all the sign will change. Why so? Because minus into plus will give me minus, minus into minus will give me plus, and plus into plus will also give me plus. So see, nothing here in front of 4a means plus. So minus plus, minus plus will give me minus. Minus into minus about the second term will give me plus. Then minus into plus, minus, and then again minus. After changing the sign, what you have to do? Separate the like terms. So here 12a, then minus 4a. Then ab terms minus 9ab. So I have here 7ab. Then I have b terms, which is 5b. Then next term is 3b. Then the last term is constant term. What is constant term? When there is a no variable present in a term. Like here there is no variable, only constant. So I say that constant terms. What is next? 12 minus 4 is 8a minus 9ab plus 7ab. Different sign, obviously subtraction, and sign of the bigger number. Then 5b minus 3b, 2b, minus 3 minus 12, same sign, addition, sign of same sign. This is my answer. Let's take the second question. So it says this from this. Again, from, after from, whatever the term is there, you have to write that first. So it is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz, right? Then what? Yes, minus sign, then bracket, that is 3xy 5yz minus 7zx. And as here you can say all the sign got reversed, plus minus, this was minus so plus, minus so plus so minus, and plus became minus. Same way here you can directly change the sign. So copy the first term as it is and then reverse the sign. When we have to do that? When there is a minus sign outside. Separate the like terms. So 5xy and xy is here, that is minus 3xy. Then yz, 2yz, and then here yz, minus 5yz. Then minus 2zx, this is zx, and this one, plus 7zx. Then last term is left with this, write it down. Now 5xy minus 3xy will give you how much? 2xy minus 2yz minus same sign it is, so add, that is 7yz. Then this minus 2zx 5zx will give you 5zx, and last term has no other terms, so just simply write it down. This is my answer. Correct? There is one more question. Let's solve that also. So I'll just copy this question in the next thing. Yes. So here it says subtract this from this. It's a quite a big question. So from wala term will come first. This is my C part. 18 minus 3p minus 11q, right? Then 5pq, 2pq square, and then 5p square q. I need to subtract, that is why I am putting it into bracket. P square q, pq, 5p q square, 8q, 8p, my bad, 7q minus 10. Then write other term as it is and change the sign of the second bracket. So till here same to same. Now there is a minus sign. This is bracket. So change the sign. This was minus, so plus. This is minus. This plus. Just reversing the sign. As simple as that. Then separating the like term. So there is a 18. What is constant term? Yes, 10 over here. Then p ka term 3p. Search for another pp here. That is 8p. Next q wala term minus 11q. Search for q wala term. It's a here minus 7q. What you can do? Take pencil and circle. Start circling. Suppose you took this, circle it. So that you should not copy the same term again and again. Right? Next one is 5pq. pq. So here 3pq. Next is minus 2pq square. Now pay attention. This is p and q chi square. I can't take this. This is p chi square and q. Here p single power, q double power. So I need to take only that much term. pq square, which is here. Minus 5pq square. Then 5p square q. And then this one. Minus 4p square q. To tally that, you count the number of terms in the previous steps and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So 18 plus 10, 28. Subtracting this, 5p and this same sign. So 18q, here same sign. It's a simple, right? Minus 7 pq square and then here p square q. 5 minus 4 is this. So that's about the first exercise. I hope so you have found this easy. You just need one more practice to make yourself perfect. I'll see you in next part with another concept and exercise. Take care and bye bye.